Hello all. In today's video, let's discuss about the image normalization. Before I discuss about the image normalization, first let's understand basic things about the image. I have taken one colored image. Now when I have zoomed, you will be able to see some small boxes. Okay, that boxes we call it as pixels. Okay, now just assume I have picked one pixel. Okay, just assume I have taken one pixel. That pixel is going to consist of a color, right? That color is achieved by three channels. Okay, okay, now R in the sense red, G in the sense green, B in the sense blue. Okay, every channel, these are total three channels. Every channel is going to consist of one value which is ranged between 0 to 255. Okay, whatever the value which comes inside this channel, that will be in the range of 0 to 255. Okay, now for example, if I want to get pure red color, then I have to provide maximum number for the that channel. For the rest I can provide zeros. This is the color code for the red color. Now in the same way, if you want to get green color, for the red you provide 0, for the green you provide 255, and for the blue you provide 0. The same goes to the blue. Okay, now let's see that same thing in the color picker. We do have a color picker over here. For example, if you want to get the green color, this is the green color. Now for the red you can provide, okay, this is the red color. I have taken one color picker. As per to the color changes at the top, even that RGB numbers as well are getting changed. Okay, now we have discussed about the colored image. Now let's talk about the grayscale image. Now for the grayscale image, it is going to consist of only one channel. Right now we do have total three channels for the colored image, but for the grayscale image, it is going to consist of only one channel. That means only one value. Okay, now if you see, now earlier what I have said, grayscale image is going to consist of one value, but in the RGB you are able to see total three values, 59, 59, 59. Actually, this is only one value, 59 itself, but our color picker Chrome extension has been developed in such a way that it has to recognize the RGB related images. So that's why though value is one, the rest of that same value is reflecting in the other two channels as well. But in general, value is only one, that is 59. Okay, even if you go to anywhere, okay, same value will get repeated in all three channels. Now we have discussed about the basic things about the uh, uh, colored images and grayscale images. Now let's understand image normalization. Image normalization is nothing but we are doing normalization. That means right now in our uh, images, what we are doing, we are taking the values between in the range of 0 to 255, right? So uh, value can be 200, value can be 160, value can be 1 0. Okay, so there is no proper range, so we have to bring all those values to the same range. So that's why we are doing the image normalization. Okay, why do we require this? During whenever we are working with the machine learning models or as neural networks, at that time training process will be faster, and as well as computation load will be less. Okay, that's why we are doing the image normalization. Now let's see the coding part. I have already coded earlier. Now let me explain the step by step. First of all, let me take the image path. Now let's load the image. Let me see the colored image. The image which I have taken over here is nothing but this same image. Now the image has been loaded. Now let me convert this to the grayscale. Okay. Now image has been converted to the grayscale. Why are we converting to the grayscale? Because in RGB we are going to consist of total 3 channels, RGB, and every channel is going to consist of its own value. That means computation, the process has to be done for this value and this value. Okay, this increases the computation load and training process as well get increased. But in case if we have preferred this grayscale, it is going to consist of only one value, so process has to be done only for that value, that one value. Okay, now let's normalize. Simple, just we have to divide by 255. 255 will range in between 0 to 1. Okay, whatever the values which we are going to receive, that will be only in the range of 0 to 1. Okay, now for example, if we want to normalize in between minus 1 to 1, that as well you can do it. I will explain you why we have to do this. First of all, let me write the code, then I will explain you. Okay, with the help of this line of code, what we can do is the range of the image can be in between, image normalization can be done in between minus 1 to 1. Okay, let me See, image normalization is done in between -1 to 1. Okay, now let me explain this code. 127 is nothing but half of the 255. Okay, that's why we are preferring over here 127. Now coming to over here, what we have preferred 127.5. okay, but the image values are in between what, in between 0 to 255. that means these are normal integers. So as we have to deal with this, that's why we are even converting the type from integer to float. Okay, I hope you have understood this image normalization video. In case if you have understood or learned anything new from this, please like and subscribe the channel. And as well, you can go to my channel. Over there I have already created lot many videos like related to the DVC, AI resume recommendation project, YouTube advertisement suggester, ML flow related, LangChain related, neural networks related. You can gain lot much of knowledge from here. Please do visit once. Okay, thank you for watching this video.